Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video of website planning and creation. In this video of ours, we would be learning all about how to use the knowledge of standard section, full width section, specialty section and from library sections. So in the last videos we have learned how to add different columns, and in each column how we can add modules. In this video of ours, we would be learning how to use these kind of sections which are provided just below the column option. If we talk about the standard section, a standard section is that section in which we do have a margin on both the sides. Like suppose if I need any section where on the right as well as on the left hand side there is a certain space which is present, that is called as a standard section. Similarly, if we talk about the full width section, it means it starts from the edge and goes till another edge of the laptop or the page. Indirectly it means that it captures the complete screen of the website. That is called as a full width section. The third one is specialty sections. These are some pre-made layouts which is being provided from the Divi side in order to use it so that we can make a very beautiful design. And add from library is an option where we can add certain designs which we have already uploaded in the library. Let's see how we can use all these four options. If I need to select a standard section, I can simply click on the standard section. See, as I have clicked, a section appeared at the bottom of my screen. Let's see first that section. See, this is the section. Any section with a color of blue and a green out here, it represents the standard section, right? Suppose if I add a full width section, the color would be different than compared to the standard section. So even just by seeing the color of the bar, we can identify which type of section it is. If I try to use a specialty section, I'll be seeing the different layouts which are being pre-made out here. Suppose right now I'm not selecting any layout, so just to see how it is looking. Now as you can see, again the color of the vertical bar is different. So just by seeing, we very well know this is a standard section, this is a full width section, and this is a specialty section. Now let's see, when we are trying to make something, how does it appears in the front end of the website. Suppose I'm trying to add in a standard section one column, so I'll just select one column from here, and in that one column I want to write a text. So I can see out here, if I need to scroll as it goes alphabetically, here is T, text. So now the text will appear out in front of us where we can write certain text. We would be selecting it and we would be copying it for few times so that we can see a bit of text on the screen. So out here we have seen that we have written certain text in the text module, and save and exit. Now let's look at what are the options available in the full width section. So there are almost 9 options which is available in the full width section. Suppose out here also I'm trying to write something, a code or a image I'm trying to put. Suppose I'm trying to put a full width image out here. So I need to select the module. So unlike other modules, either I can paste the URL of the image here in order to upload the image, or I can simply click on upload an image, and whatever image is already present on my website, I can use it. For example, I want to use this as an image, so I've inserted it and save. Now as we can see on the specialty section, there are two interfaces. First I need to insert here column, and second I need to insert here how many modules that I want to enter. Suppose I need 2 columns out here, so I'll select this thing. I'll select 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, and now every column is asking for whichever module we want to use it. Suppose in all the modules I want to use text only, so I'd be going back and I'd be using a text module. So again, when you write here, I'll paste the same text which I have written earlier. Save and exit. So out here we can see two icons. The three horizontal bar are used if we need to click or edit that special section, and this option is used for cloning. As you can see, the moment I hover the mouse over that section, the clone module option is appearing in front of me. So right now what I need to do, I need to clone this text and I have to put it on all these two vacant places. So I'll just simply clone it, and once again I'll clone, and I will drag and drop it out here. I'll drag it and drop it out here. Now once these three are done, now we need to publish this page in order to implement all the effects that we have tried to have on it. And once the page is being published, then we need to preview it. So now I just need to preview it. So I clicked out here on the preview changes, and the page is just getting loaded. So as selected, I can see this is my standard section. So I'm having certain margin here and certain big margin which is appearing out here. Secondly, a full width image of an apple that I have selected. Because the image was small and I have selected the full width image, so this is taking such blurry images coming out. And third, this is the three text that I have selected. Now suppose in the first text, as I can see, the text is appearing on the left hand side corner. I want it to appear on the middle or on the right, so we need to change the alignment of it. In order to change the alignment, we need to go back. So let's go to the previous tab. Now when I've gone to the previous tab, as I can see, this is the first section. So out here, in order to change the text alignment, we need to edit from this gray bar. So out here we'll again just check these three lines, and once I've clicked on this three line, again the same interface has opened in front of me. Now I can see this is on the left hand justified. Let's make it right hand side justified, or better, I can do one more thing. I can select all together and click on center justified. Now as these texts are small, so I'll try to put some more text inside it and try to make the statement a bit lengthier, so that we can have a look how is this a lengthy text is also looking when we're trying to write in the same section. Let's delete it so that we are having only one line with us, and we'll copy the same line. As you can see, now I've just pasted the same lines. Save and exit, and again I'll click on preview changes. Now the page is getting refreshed. Again, if we can see, if you can notice, the text is appearing out here. Now this is a simple display of the three of the sections which is present on our website. Now in the next video of ours, we will be looking all after the different modules which are present separately in standard and full width section. So stay tuned on this video, and thank you for joining me on this video.